Well, Brickliners employs world-class masons, and we are adept at fixing pretty much anything involving chimneys or masonry. So once we find a problem, usually at the top of your roof, or could be a chimney that's going down the side of your house, we can identify the areas that need work and whether it needs to be rebuilt or just repointed. We have the expertise to do that.
So our hope is that we drive up to a house with a masonry chimney that needs nothing. That's often and usually not the case. And in that circumstance, we have a crew of qualified, well-experienced masons who are really good at what they do, but just a great way to preserve these structures that should be able to stand on their own for hundreds of years with a little bit of TLC and preventative maintenance.